sparks I see when you're with me are more than physical attraction. 'Cause this kind of flame just can't be tamed. It's gotta be a chemical reaction. Now listen well, you're a morning glory, I'm a bedtime story. There is hardly anything on which we agree. But when we get together and shake us around, a scientific quantity of magic is found. That's causing an explosion that's bound to get loud. That's called chemistry. You're like the Mona Lisa. When I try to please ya, there is hardly any place we'd both like to go. But when we get together and no one's around, a scientific quantity of magic is found. That's causing an explosion that's bound to get loud. That's called chemistry. Now it's a strange romantic story, making love in a laboratory. But when I hold you and you hold me too, the result's a chemical cacciatory. Yeah, maybe I will love you, maybe I'll hate you. Either way, at least I pray one constant is true. That when we get together and there's no one around, a scientific quantity of magic is found. That's causing an explosion that's bound to get loud. That's called chemistry. Now I know what Cole Porter meant when he advised to experiment. 'Cause when I touch you and you touch me too, the result's a trustable, combustible event. Now maybe I will love you, maybe I'll hate you. Either way, at least I pray one constant is true. That when we get together and shake us around, a scientific quantity of magic is found. That causing an explosion bound to get loud. And baby, that's chemistry. This feeling of elation is all in the equation. Hurry up and do it. Come on, there's nothing to it. If you want a turner, you gotta light a burner. Yeah, that's called chemistry. You and me together, well, that's called chemistry. Chemistry.